Hi, in this video we're looking at how we disable Windows indexing on a Windows 7 machine. Now you're probably familiar that Windows 7 has advanced search capabilities. So if you've got thousands of files, lots of media files and documents on your computer, and you intensively use email, so you've got lots of emails sitting in there that sometimes you want to be able to find a particular email, and you can type in the search box and find it quickly. If that's not you just have a simple setup on your machine, then you probably don't need the Windows search facility, in which case the underlying technology that indexes all the files, you don't need that running as well, which means that you could probably speed up your computer, or at least not have it slow you down when you're working. So you can turn this on and off, and it rebuilds the index, and it's not a problem. So if you find that you miss the facility, you can just turn it back on. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to come down to our search menu, the start menu in the search box, and we're going to type in services. Okay, and we want the one with the cogs there called services, and we type that. Okay, we're going to look for the service name called Windows Search. So as I scroll down, okay, and I'm just going to double click it. We can see that it's set to automatic. So what I'm going to do is actually stop the service. So it's actually stopping the service running on my machine. Now it's stopped it, and I'm going to go to disabled and hit apply. Now this is in no way, shape or form harming your computer. It's no longer running the service or building an index with any new files that you create on your computer. So this may be one tip that you may want to follow to see if you can speed up the use of your Windows 7 machine. Now, just to show that you can still type in the box here, and it's not going to totally disable things. So here I am trying to find a feature within Windows 7 called indexing, and we can see now that indexing is not running on this machine. So just a quick tip for those performance junkies out there that maybe want to disable file indexing in Windows 7. If you want to go and turn it back on, you simply type in services, call up the services window, come down to Windows Search. Here we go. Double click it. You see it's stopped because it's disabled. Well, first of all, we're going to enable the service, and we're going to go to probably automatic delayed start, so it doesn't cause us problems when we're starting up the machine. It's going to delay the indexing till at least Windows is started. And then you've got one more thing to do, is actually start the service there. And in a moment or two, the indexing of all the relevant files on your machine, normally user-created files, it's not going to be indexing system files, will carry on. So as I say, if you've got lots of emails and you use the search facility in either Outlook or Windows Live Email, then you may find this a particular boon. If you've got hundreds of Word documents and Excel files on your computer, and you're always trying to find them using the Windows search facility in Windows Explorer, then again you may find this useful. But if you've got a slower machine and you don't have hundreds of files or hundreds of emails to search through and index, then you may find that you have a performance increase by disabling the Windows indexing facility on your computer.